So what is the meaning of this line matching here? Well, if you have a system like this, a vertical tower like this, and that has this brace here, we find that every time we have to remove this tube to clean it, you watch my other videos and we talk about how maintenance and all this. Every time we put it back, we find a difficult time to find the right location where these outlets are not in the way of the brace. So now that we found the place, the right place, we marked it. So now in the future, when we take it apart, we don't have to guess and adjust and turn and try again and just, all we have to do is line up these two lines and we know that the column is in the perfect fit to be connected to the water pump, this one on the right, and the drainage hose, this one on the left, and the brace will connect easily and smoothly. Little tip. So you may not have such a system, but hey, if you have something similar and if you've had a challenge like that, here's a little tip for you. And here's a mark for this one. Okay, enjoy.